Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Angleberger, author of Strange Case of Origami Yoda and all those other books. Hey, I wanted to do a fancy unboxing video for you guys, but man, I gotta get these boxes out of my living room. For one thing, looks like my cat's about to eat them. So, let me just go ahead and show you what I got in these boxes. It won't be fancy. Let's see. Oh, look, in the first box here, we've got Bach to the Rescue. Now, these three books just came from my publisher recently, and I've been saving them up to show you guys. This first book, Bach to the Rescue. Now, this is a picture book. It's for probably somebody a little younger than most of you, but if you see it in the library, you should, or a independent bookstore, you should definitely check it out and see what it's like. It's the crazy story of how Bach wrote the Goldberg variations, etc., all kinds of crazy business happens. I hope you will like it. I'm very proud of it, and what I really love about it are the amazing illustrations by Elio. Elio is the name of the illustrator. I picked him out myself. I asked him if he would do this book. I was so happy when he said yes. I just love what he did with it. So like I said, that's a little young for some of you guys, but you might enjoy it if you see it somewhere. You might enjoy taking a peek at it. All right, now here's the other book I got to show you now in here. This box is full of Dee Dee Dodo. Lots and lots of Dee Dee Dodo in here. Let me pull this out into the light. Pull one of these out into the light here. There it is, Dee Dee Dodo, Future Spy. And once again, I'm so lucky to work with a great illustrator. This time it's Jared Chapman. He really did a great job. Look at, let me open this up and show you what it's like. Now, Dee Dee Dodo is a spin-off of Inspector Flytrap. You may remember Coco Dodo from the Inspector Flytrap books. Well, he's back, and he's got all kinds of problems, and Dee Dee Dodo is there to help him, or does she? That's the big question. It's a parody of spy movies, adventure thrillers, all that kind of stuff. The first part is Her Majesty's Super Secret Fudge Sauce. It's cooking and disasters and all kinds of crazy business thrown into one. I hope you guys will like these books. I hope you'll check them out. I sure had a fun time writing them. This is some crazy business here. I just have had such a great time writing these books. Oh yeah, there's the Inspector Flytrap books. So if you like Inspector Flytrap, check out Dee Dee and Coco. Guys, thank you so much for reading my books. Thanks for watching me unbox my books. And boy, I need to find Yoda or somebody to say... to have a message to say, somebody has to say, may the force be with you here before we can go. Maybe it should be the bunny, or the dog, or the robot. Maybe it could be the squirrel. Can the squirrel say, may the force be with you? How about this dog? May the force be with you, always. He looked a little like Yoda, don't you think? All right, see you later, guys. Thanks for looking at my big boxes of stuff. See you later.